Hey China Gang, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back again. Today's going to be a PolyGel inspired look, and as you can see, this is going to be like my first nail tutorial on how to get these all nails. You can see my index finger, I did a full PolyGel and the rest of them were like fill-ins. This is the PolyGel that I'm using. This is the acetone that I'm using by Beauty Secrets. You can get this stuff at your local Sally's. Also, the PolyGel I ordered from Wish. So this is like a Wish kind of inspired video. You're going to use the acetone because they have, as you can see, I have the blue one, and you're going to have like a spatula and your gel brush. I got this one from Wish as well. And you're gonna see like the consistency of the PolyGel from Wish. I'm gonna just squeeze out a bit so you can see and put it on the spatula. It's kind of hard because it is a thicker consistency of gel, but you can see it kind of just popped out there. Regular PolyGel is obviously a lot thicker than what you see here. So just keep that in mind, and you're just going to apply that on the cuticle bed and put that on the top and then push it down. So you just take your spatula, put it on the nail like if you were going to press it, dip in your brush into any alcohol that you have or acetone that you have. I prefer to use alcohol with the gel, but you can use the acetone as well, and you're just going to push and press. I have this tapping motion, but as you see, that's how like you get that filling. The white space that you just saw, it was from my white PolyGel when I did my French, but I'm just gonna keep doing that and then carrying the nail like how you just seen and applying this all throughout my fingers. So it's really, I don't know how to explain it. It's really easy. You just really put the bead of the PolyGel and then you just push the product into where you need to fill. So you know, just how you can tell like when you need a filling, you're gonna push it into that space and you're going to spread it across the whole nail so that it obviously blends with everything. You're just gonna keep doing that, dipping your brush. A nice trick to know, the more alcohol you use is like the harder the gel gets. And then you're just going to keep doing that to every nail. Here I chipped my nail, so I'm going to have to create like a extension, which you can do, and then you just cure that nail. Once you do your whole hand, you have to cure the nail, I would say at least for 2 minutes. A minute to at least 2 minutes, I would cure the nail. And then you just take it out and you keep doing the same thing to the other hand. I also put another layer, so it's up to you how thick you really want to get this gel, because I'm gonna be honest, like it can get really bulky, but make sure you build enough on the nail so that it's not too thin when you start to file. So this is a nice method. You just go back over the gel with your brush, like for maybe places that you missed or didn't get. And as you can see, my nail is actually being filled in. Now this part you just have to just really watch, because there's really not anything else that you do besides pressing. Just making sure that you lift the nail from the skin. You want to make sure that obviously the gel does not touch your skin. I wanted to stress that from the beginning of the video, like do not make it touch your skin, be very careful. And we're gonna move on to filing, which is my favorite part. I got the filer. I'm going to probably have to do like a haul of all the nail stuff that I got, but I believe I got the filer also on Wish, and it's really good. I love this filer. It's really good. I've had different filers in the past, and this one is just bomb. You're just going to file down the nail, not too much, and you're going to have it at a low setting because you don't want too much of the gel to come off. You just want to file off that tacky layer that was on there. Also, this obviously will dull out the shine of the gel, but it's okay because we're going to put polish on it anyway. And once you rub off the dust, it's cleared again. Make sure you file also inside of the nail as well as on top. So as you can see, I go on top and I also go inside to get everywhere. Like literally, you want to get everywhere. So yeah. And you're going to buff that out. You're going to make sure you buff that out. And you should be good to go. I apologize if you hear like music in the background, like I have music playing, but yeah, like next you're going to put your gel color. I got all of these gel colors from Gel-ish. You can also get this at Sally's. I got the mini size because you can get the full size, you can also get the minis. The minis I feel like is better for me personally because like I don't know, like I really like a lot of polishes. Like I collect a lot of them, and I don't ever really need the big size. And obviously, like if you can save in coins, definitely do that. So I'm gonna do 2 to 3 coats of this color, this really nice like jade green. I like love it. You're gonna see how I design it, but this color is just really bomb. Then I'm going to take the gold foil. After using your IBD gel builder, I'm going to put a coat of that on the finger that I'm going to use, which is the index finger. I'm going to take the foil and press it into the nail. Now, the foil will break up as you press, so you have to think of how you want your foil to look on your nail, which, you know, you can do really tiny pieces, you can do big chunks, like, it's really up to you how you want to place the foil, and then you're just going to cure it. Once you do that, you're going to take your alcohol, rub off the nail on each finger, like, no, rub the alcohol on each nail so that you can take off that sticky, tacky layer, and then you're just going to get some cuticle oil, and that's all she wrote, guys. That's it. So thank you for watching the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.